Looking for a great home in the heart of the city? Look no further. This 4-bedroom and 2-bath home has tons of updates: new flooring, new interior paint, new built-in microwave, new oven, new cabinet knobs, new kitchen countertop, new siding and new exterior paint. Enjoy the fenced, level backyard and lots of closet space. There is a wood-burning fireplace with the gas starter. It is walking distance to tennis courts, a park and a community center. Plus, there is a huge bonus room that could be a den, playroom, office or 5th bedroom. Come see it today. It is priced at just $124,900.